In this video I just want to show you another watch that I've bought recently. This is a nice metallic blue one, and it's more a dressy type of watch for special occasions. It's quite cheap actually, but I'll show you what it looks like. Now first of all, it arrives like this with a sleeve, and you unbox it there. So I'm just taking it off, the sleeve off, and I'll just undo this part now, and I'll show you what the box looks like inside. So first of all, we've got the instruction manual for the watch, and then next we have got, I've already opened it, so that's the bag it came in, and then more instructions and more instructions. It's obviously to do with the battery, etc. A little nice microfiber cloth for cleaning the watch, and it looks a bit scruffy in there, but that's because I've already taken the watch out and that's just the packaging. So let me show you further, hang on. So I've just done a little bit of tidying up there. In the box comes this little adjuster for taking the links off and adjusting the strap clasp, and I'll show you as I take the watch out. There we go, and set against this side here you can see the actual colour of it. It's a very nice watch, is this. On the back is the clasp here. You squeeze them two together to undo the watch like this. Now I'll put it on and I'll show you what it looks like on, but in the meantime I'll just show you the back. As you can see, that's what it looks like on. It's just slightly too big for me. I need to take one link off. You can see there. Camera seems to be struggling to focus for some reason. Sorry about that. Anyway, I'll try to show you the back. So that's the back of the watch. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, thumbs down. And please look out for my next videos and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.